Hello friend, in today's video we will discuss about the named range function. You can give the custom name to a cell or a range of cells, but maybe you don't know how to get the benefit of giving the name to a cell or range. So in this video I will give you how you can use it and what are the benefits you can get giving the custom name to a cell or a range. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe it, do the comment, like the video, share this video on social media so that your friends and family get the benefited from our tutorials. So let us begin. We have employees data over here, you can see, and our company or organization announced the percentage of increment of the salary 5% for next year. Our task is to calculate the new salary for the next year. We can achieve it using a simple formula for multiplication, like equal. We can give the reference of the cell, then multiply and then come over here, but we need to make it constant by pressing F4, and then we will add the salary and control plus enter. We got our new salary. Okay, we can copy this one, but it may be possible we can move this percentage to another cell, and if somebody see this file, he could not understand what is the factor and he don't know anything about this function. But if we assign a name of this percentage, so whenever somebody will see our calculation, so he can easily understand how the new salary came or calculated. So we can give a name to this cell. Come over here, from the formula bar you can see K1 is coming over here, and click over here. This is the name box. We can see all the list of custom name defined by us, but in this sheet there is no custom names available. So we can give the name to this one, percentage increase or increment, whatever you want to give, and press enter. Now we have given the name to this cell. Now select this one and double click over here, and now you can remove this one. But instead of removing, you can, if you don't know what is the name I have decided, or maybe I have 50 numbers of name defined in the sheet, so I really don't know, so we can see the list of defined name by pressing F3, and here you can see the paste name is coming over here. You just select the list of defined name by us. You can select anyone and press OK, or you just double click over here, it will come automatically. Now control plus enter to get the results, and now double click over here, and all one can see there is no need to give any absolute reference of the cells, and whenever or wherever we want to use the percentage of increment, we will get it. And we can also define the name for the ranges. We have sales data of all states month wise. It means January to June, so it's half year sales data. So we can do many functions with these data. We can find the sum using easily the ranges. If I give the range over here and if I press enter, so I got my answer. But dear friends, nobody can understand what this data is for. So we can define a range. We can define the name of this range, select the range, come to the name box, and you can give sales half year, press enter. And now if I use some function and press F3 for getting the defined names, so this time we are getting sales half year as well. Select this one, press OK, press enter, you got the answer. So very easily you can understand. You can do many calculations with these ranges. It may be possible you can define 100 custom names, and it is difficult to manage you want to delete some of them, so you can come to the formula tab, you can select the name ranges and all will come over here. You can see the value, refers and the scope. You can delete anyone, select and click on the delete button. But if this name has been used in any function, you will get the error. So how we can get rid of this? So simply select anywhere on the blank cells, come to the formula tab and here use in the formulas, click over here and the paste names. So you will get the list and select this one and click, but you have option paste list. Click over here, you get the list of defined name over here and you can see the sheet name and where it is used. So if you see the defined name is not used in the sheet, so you can delete that one. You can rectify these functions and then you can delete if you want to, but I really recommend to use the name ranges function in the Excel. It will help you a lot in your work and it will increase your efficiency. Hopefully guys, you understand the benefit of defined name. If you have any query, feel free to send me the comment. I'll try my best to give the answer as soon as possible. On the top left side you can see some video or the playlist related to the Excel. You can click over there and you can watch all the tutorials. You can share our videos on social media so that your friends and family can also get the benefit from our tutorials. Thank you friends for watching our video. Please come back again.